Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. In the next few seconds, I'm going to show you how to create privacy between two rooms using easy to install, heavy duty wall mount door hardware. Watch this. Johnson Hardware makes the amazing hardware that attaches directly to the wall above the door opening. You can install a door in very little time with minimal tools. Be sure to visit the Johnson Hardware website or my AskTheBuilder.com website for more details. The links to both are in the video description. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.